Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the steps on how to accept friend requests on Roblox Mobile. To accept friend requests on Roblox Mobile, you want to make sure to watch this video right till the end. First of all, you want to actually open up your Roblox application and log into your account. As logged in, you'll be then taken to the home page, which is going to look something like this. At the top left corner, you could see your profile, and underneath there is this section as friends, right? You could go and click on this arrow icon in order to check the friend list or friend request. You could also go and click on add friend option, and here you could find the friend request section. Since I have none, so the interface is quite different than yours. So there you could go and look for it and tap on add friend request, or you could simply go ahead and add them to your account, and that is how you accept friend requests on Roblox Mobile. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.